Hey kids! Today we're playing Guess the Farm Animal. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, here comes the first one. Hint 1, I give you milk. Hint 2, I say moo moo. Hint 3, I have a large body and often black and white spots. Hint 4, farmers keep me in barns. What am I? That's right, I'm a cow. On to the next one. Hint 1, I lay eggs. Hint 2, I cluck and scratch the ground. Hint 3, I have feathers and a beak. Hint 4, you might find me in a coop. What am I? Did you guess it? I'm a chicken. Ready for the next animal? Hint 1, I give you wool. Hint 2, I say baa. Hint 3, I often graze in fields. Hint 4, my coat is usually white, but can be black or brown. What am I? Correct, I'm a sheep. Here's the next one. Hint 1, I quack. Hint 2, I have webbed feet. Hint 3, I love swimming in ponds. Hint 4, I lay eggs and have a bill. What am I? Correct, I'm a duck. Let's keep going. Hint 1, I can be ridden. Hint 2, I say neigh. Hint 3, I have a mane and a tail. Hint 4, I run fast and can be used for farm work. What am I? That's right, I'm a horse. Let's see if you can guess this one. Hint 1, I say gobble gobble. Hint 2, I have a fan-like tail. Hint 3, I'm often roasted for Thanksgiving. Hint 4, I have wattles under my beak. What am I? That's right, I'm a turkey. Here we go with another one. Hint 1, I love to roll in the mud. Hint 2, I say oink. Hint 3, I'm often pink, but can be other colors too. Hint 4, I have a curly tail. What am I? Yes, I'm a pig. Next up. Hint 1, I have horns and a beard. Hint 2, I can climb and jump very well. Hint 3, I say bleat. Hint 4, I give you milk, cheese, and sometimes meat. What am I? Yes, I'm a goat. Here we go. Hint 1, I have long ears and a short fluffy tail. Hint 2, I love to hop and eat carrots. Hint 3, I'm often kept in hutches. Hint 4, my babies are called kits. What am I? Did you get it? I'm a rabbit. Great job, everyone! You did amazing at guessing all the farm animals. Thanks for playing along with us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time!